Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. This morning, the markets gapped up, 3 of the 4 of them gapping above the prior day high, and have since kind of consolidated and starting to test a little bit higher in most of them, with the Russell being the exception. And I want to test this price action going into 3 p.m. Eastern Time. So the pattern that I want to test is shown here on the chart. You have the ES. We gapped up above the prior day high, so our open is around this 2780-ish area. The high from yesterday is over here, around the 77s. So we gapped up, we did not test down to the prior close, and we are trading above the open. That may change going into the close, but I'm going to show what happens if we're trading above the open. And I'm going to put it below a 10 and a 200-day moving average, which means that it would be applicable for the ES, the Russell, and the YM, assuming they're all trading above the open at that point in time. So I've already selected the instruments here. I've got the entry time set to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. The opening filter is going to be opening above the prior day high. And the price action that we're going to put in here is the gap is not filled and trading above the open at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. After that, I'm going to put it below a 10-day moving average and below the 200-day moving average. Then click View Results. And here we go. So these are the results for gapping up above the prior day high and not filling the gap and still trading above the open at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, when the prior day closed below the 10 and 200-day moving averages. And you can see we've got 39, 32, 50, and 44, so decent sample sizes, especially when you combine them. And the win rates are all very similar for this pattern. So NASDAQ, it's not true for today, but I went ahead and ran it anyway, and you'll see it has the same characteristic, which is what I like to see. I like to see all instruments being pretty similar on the stats. You see that in this instance, where they're all in the upper 60s to lower 70s on the win rates. So this pattern has historically favored the long side going into the close. So I hope you found that interesting. Good luck the rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow.